Dream Decor. Today in this video I share with you some vintage style cottage decorating ideas. Let's see the video. Since you love vintage chic cottage home decor, here are some ideas to help you create the perfect cozy and nostalgic space. Furniture and layout. Antique or distressed furniture. Look for pieces with your own time-lapse finish. Think whitewashed or pastel painted wood. Mismatched charm. Mix different furniture styles for a collected overtime feel. A vintage dresser can work as a bathroom vanity or sideboard. Slip-covered sofas and chairs. Opt for white or floral slip-covers for a relaxed cottage-like feel. Colors and patterns. Soft pastels and neutrals. Use muted tones like green, soft pink, sage green, or powder blue. Floral and gingham prints. Mix floral patterns with checks or stripes on cushions, curtains, or upholstery. Distressed wood and white walls. Keep walls light and airy with white or soft pastel shades. Textiles and fabrics. Lace and crochet accents. Add lace curtains, doilies, or vintage crochet throws. Floral and taking stripe fabrics. Layer them in pillows, bedding, and curtains. Ruffled and embroidered linens. Look for vintage pillowcases and tablecloths with embroidery details. Decorative touches. Vintage china and glassware. Display delicate floral china, teacups, or pressed glass bowls on open shelves. Old books and botanical prints. Stack old books on tables and hang vintage botanical prints or nature-inspired artwork. Ironstone and mason jars. Use white ironstone pictures as vases and repurpose mason jars for storage. Lighting and ambience. Candeliers and crystal accents. Hang an antique style candelier for an elegant cottage feel. Soft, warm lighting. Use vintage lamps with fabric shades or wall sconces with candle-like bulbs. Candle holders and lanterns. Display aged brush or oat iron candle holders for a cozy glow. Vintage finds and dye projects. Repurpose old doors and windows. Turn them into headboards, wall art, or decorative accents. Use antique mirrors. Use mirrors with ornate frames add light and charm to your space. Farmhouse style open shelving. Display everyday items like plates, mugs, and baking utensils beautifully. Natural and cozy elements, wicker and rattan accents. Use oven baskets for storage and rattan chairs for sitting. Soft rugs and layering. Add neutral fiber rugs, jute, sisal, or faded porcelain style rugs for warmth. Furniture and layout. Mix and match seating. Combine a vintage wooden bench with cushioned chairs. Add a farmhouse table. Repurpose old furniture. Turn a vintage dresser into a bathroom vanity or use an old trunk as a coffee table. Open and airy feel. Avoid overcrowding. Let beaches shine by giving theme space. Walls and ceilings. Shiplap or bedboard paneling instantly adds vintage cottage charm to walls. Wallpaper with florals or tile adds a nostalgic feel in small doses, like an accent wall or inside cabinets. Exposed wooden beams, if possible, give ceilings rustic for that old world cottage charm. Textiles and fabrics, quilts and patchwork throws, layered seam on beds, sofas, and chairs for a cozy, collected feel. Handmade or vintage table runners, embroidered linens add a delicate touch to dining tables and dressers. Decor and accessories, old window frames as wall decor. Leave theme distaste or add worth for an added cottage feel. Vintage clocks and sinks. Paste wall clocks, wooden sinks, or enamelware sinks complete the look. Rustic bag rails and hooks. Use theme to hang baskets, heads, or lightweight kitchenware. Kitchen and dining. Open shelving for dishes. Display vintage china, glassware, and enamelware. Freestanding cabinets. Use a vintage hatch for extra storage with charm. Butcher block or farmhouse table. Keep a wooden table as the centerpieces for a welcoming space. I think these tips help you. Thank you so much for watching the video.